coffee shop in my neighborhood. And they've been closed for a while. They've had a sign outside that says, "Coming soon." And for a while it was okay. But time passed and a couple months went by, and then I thought, that's kind of disingenuous. Because when I say I'm coming soon, I mean like right now. In fact, I may have actually started and just not said anything because I didn't want you to get out of the way. I was talking to a friend the other day and I asked her a question and she said, "No way, Jose." And I thought that was an interesting little saying, because it's predicated on denying minorities' rights. Can I earn a living wage? No way, Jose. I saw this Obama. I'm not going to vote for him because I saw he won the Nobel Peace Prize a few years back. And then his first major move after that was to escalate the war in Afghanistan. And I didn't find that to be funny at all. I mean, it's kind of like getting your abstinence ring lost up your girlfriend's asshole. It's not explicitly against the rules, but it's not in the spirit of the war. No, that was me doing Mike Kaiser.